prescription for nature? Come Alive Outside has a new program called NatureRx, which invites everybody from Rutland County to come in and get a prescription for nature. So what does that mean? It means that you work with a personal health coach for 15 weeks to see how you can improve your access to nature and getting outdoors in any way that you like. So you could go for a walk, you could walk your dog, you could blow bubbles with your grandchild, however you'd like to do it. For more information and to join NatureRx, contact Rudy at comealiveoutside.com or visit our website, comealiveoutside.com.